ready to go. So gotta fix the drone now. It's going to be the blades. I'm going to replace the blades and the front camera dome, the glass dome. It took a beating and kept on going. That drone is something else. By the way, I'm using the Media Mod rear mic on the GoPro. I hope I'm coming in okay, sound level and all. I'm going to be testing new mics as well. I got the wireless ones, lavalier mics, handhelds, all that stuff. Right, so what we got here is the repair parts. Set of blades. I got these from Race Day Quads. They say they fit. The length is the same, 5 inches I think, whatever they are. I don't know. And here's the replacement glass dome. There we go. I don't want to break this one too. Just be careful with it. Pretty delicate, this the glass here. So this is the new one. The one we're going to replace cracked as it took some hits, especially when it slammed right into the tree. Can't believe it kept on flying. Wow. One tough drone. We're going to see it soon. So I'm going to take it out and I'll start the repair. Alright, where I last left off, explaining how tough this drone is. I had the goggles on, the FPV goggles. This is an FPV drone. And what happened was I dumb-thumbed it. Somehow I must have hit a switch. I was trying to adjust the camera gimbal here. Well, it doesn't gimbal all the way, just up and down. And I must have hit this switch, or one of the switches. I don't know what happened, and it went off on its own. Not too fast. I was able to follow it. I even thought of hand catching it. It wasn't that high up. I could have grabbed it, but I was scared it was going to bug out and cut me or hurt me. So it was going right into a tree at a very slow rate. I didn't get it on film. I should have. And it hit the tree, and well, I don't know what I'm going to say next, if it's believable, but it hit the tree, and obviously the prop stopped spinning. I guess that's a safety feature, because upon inspection, none of them are damaged except one. This one here, I guess that's where it contacted the tree. The others seem to be okay. So I reset it, and I recalibrated it and initialized it, and it took off again. It flew after it hit the tree. This is one tough drone. So, lesson learned: when I'm flying FPV, just control the sticks and don't worry about these buttons. Get the camera angled right. Well, I guess I'm learning it. This is for pitch up, pitch down, but as I was doing it, I must have pressed this button or flicked the switch or something like that, and dumb-thumbed it. And I was trying to control it, but it wouldn't respond because it was in some sort of follow me mode or GPS mode or whatnot. I'm still learning it. I know it well, but I just fly FPV. I fly without the gyro on and anything. I just hand fly it, and I enjoy it. But I got to learn what these buttons are for, I guess, so I don't do that again. And if I do that again, how to remedy it before it hits the tree or anything else. So right now I'm going to repair the drone. I got new props. These are from Race Day Quads. Good price. I picked them up, try them out, and replace the camera glass dome, which cracked upon impact. I don't know with the tree or with the ground, but you can see it. Let me turn it upside down, and we can see where it broke. So I'm going to be replacing this glass dome right here, in addition to changing the props. Got the tools right here. First thing I'm going to need for the glass dome is the smallest screwdriver I got, Pt1 Craftsman here. It's the smallest one. They're pretty tiny screws. Got to be careful not to lose them. There's two of them, one here and one on the bottom. One on top and one on the bottom. Here's the one on top. That would be this one here. And second tool I'm going to use is the nut driver to get the bolts off the props. This is an 8mm nut driver. Get these nut bolts, get the nuts off the bolts. Right, get the nuts off. There's two types, by the way. So one of them threads in clockwise, the other counterclockwise, because two of the propellers spin counterclockwise, two of them spin clockwise. Identifying them is easy. The ones that spin clockwise are powder coated black. The ones that are not are bare metal. Alright, I guess first I'll undo the props. I'm going to change all of them. I thought of just changing one, but I have these exact ones, but I want to use the new ones here. Try them out. Because the other three are undamaged. I'm going to keep them. Never know. This one is one of the ones that's undamaged. So, these are good. Now to the rear ones. This one here that I'm undoing is the one that made contact with the tree. The other side's pretty good. It's a little warped. Yeah, this one's trashed. And take the last one off here. Alright. So these three are good. I'm going to keep them as spares. This is the trash one. It's easily identified. No fear of mixing them up. Just put them over there for now. And while I got these off, I'll take the glass dome off as well. There we are. Alright, really tiny screw. I don't want to lose this, so... And the screwdriver is not magnetic. Put that over there. Really tiny, wow. Get the bottom one as well. Here we go. Get that one here. I don't know, it's so small I can't even see it. This is going to be a little bit of a challenge here, I think. All right. Get that magnifying glass here. There we go. And it's coming out. Really tiny screws. Now let's see if it comes off easy. I think it should. Yeah. Yep. That's it, all cracked and stuff. That's from the inside view. It's what the camera would see, like this. So you could see the cracks if it's gimbling up and down. Haha. Yeah. Alright. The replacement is, I got them right here. Here's the blades. Oh, backdrop came down. Got to edit that out. And that's good. We're back to where we were. Good enough. And move this out of the way. So here's the replacement glass dome. Comes in a nice protective foam padding. There it is. It even has a little plastic protective plastic coating on it. That's better. The imperfections that I'm seeing right now are just the plastic coating. Once I peel it off, it's going to be great. Very nice. So here's the old one, new one, old one, new one. Right. And I guess this goes on just the way that came off. No, this way. There you go. I don't want to break it putting it on. It's really how did this go on? Let me play with this one, because I don't care about if I break this again. It's already broken. I guess you gotta press it on, but damn, it's... Oh, it goes on like that. Okay, I had it upside down. I was trying to put it on upside down. That's why. So, this is the right way. And I can't press on this too much. Oh, God!